Wrike software review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore Wrike. So on Wrike you can get all the stuff done at one place without wasting your time going onto the different platforms in order to complete your regular tasks. The first thing is that you can initiate your work, and that will increase your efficiency on Wrike. You can streamline all your workflows in such a way, and that will increase the efficiency of your whole team. You can also structure the work in such a way that you would be able to assign the work to different person and check out how much is the work done and when that particular work is done. Wrike works in a way that you will be able to collaborate in a better way. You will be able to manage all your stakeholders, and not just that, you would be able to create the reports and check them out, analyze them, and on the basis of these reports you would gain certain insights, and it will help you optimize your workflow. And also it will help you with the integration, automation, and work intelligence. And this will help you consolidate your workflows and integrate applications into a centralized place, so you would be able to manage your workspace in such a way that it will save you time, and also each and every member of your team would know what exactly they have to do, and they would be working in an efficient environment. So this will bring the productivity of whole team. So this way Wrike will be helping you out. So I hope this particular review video of Wrike was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.